And siguro sawa na kayo sa mukha ko. Yan, hindi na masyadong kita. Pero unboxing natin. So, this is something. Tara, ganyan na yan. This is from TikTok shop. Maliit lang siya. Pero still, ito lang. This is a gummies. Sinabi ko na sa inyo. There's something like paper. I picked some mixed ones because that's just a lot. Oh, these are cute. Bango guys. But that's all for today's vlog.